Okay, guys, we're going to do a real simple program where we use the cursor keys as inputs, as normally open push buttons. And what we're talking about here, these little cursor keys on the front of the logo here, these 4 cursor keys, you can use those as a push button. So let me add a couple of inputs on here. Well, first of all, we've got to do a new function block, or I'm going to do a ladder diagram. And we're going to add some make contacts over here. Let's put 2 of them on here. But this time we're going to use the cursor key. I'm going to use the up cursor on the first one. And then I'm going to put another one on here. And I'm going to use the down cursor key for the second. Click OK. And we can double click these and make sure that, let's say we're just going to say this is a normally open PB. In our simulation, it'll just be a make push button. We'll click OK. Same thing here. We'll do just a normally open PB on this one. PB2. Okay. Click that. We've got to have a couple of outputs on this, so we put a couple of relay coils over here, Q1 and Q2. And go ahead and connect our wires. Okay. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and change this over to a function block diagram. That way I can add the message text. Okay, so there's that. Now I need to scroll down here to the message text, and I've got to enable it on my screen in order for the cursor keys to work. So let's go here. We've got to get a open connector over on this side, and we've got to have a status high to turn on the message text here. So once again, we'll go ahead and connect these 2 right here. All right, and that should do it. So let's give it a shot. We're going to download this to our logo. That'll take just a second. Okay. Go through the little process here of getting the program downloaded. Change it back over to run mode. Now, what should happen is when we use this cursor key on the front of our logo, it should light the light up. We're just using it as a normally open push button. Now, the only trick to it is we've also got to push the escape button on this. So if I push that and I push the up button on the cursor keys, then the light lights. Okay, once again, we've got to push the escape button, and then I'm going to push the bottom one on that. And that's our Q2, or our output 2, that lights up. And anyway, that's how you can use your cursor keys on the front of your logo as normally open push buttons. Good luck and have fun with this one.